So I want to take a look at this sweeper that I bought. It's a wet dry vac, 3-gallon from RIDGID, and haven't even opened it yet. So let's take a look and see what we got. Now I got this at Home Depot, and yeah, as you can see, the peak horsepower is 5, and what's nice is it also works with their RIDGID Pro gear system, version 1 and version 2, using the vac mount attachment sold separately, which I do have that. And the number is an HD0300. And I also see a number 1007-754-651. Well, Lord knows I have plenty of shop vacs, but I guess I've got one more. I wanted to check this out, see what I thought of it. So we've got a nice handle on here, which mimics the Toolboxes. Really nice grip, very rubbery, very grippable, and it has very rigid click stops, which is a good. Your on-off switch, and then over here we have an accessory compartment, which has a brush and then a crevice tool. Now this brush isn't anything special. It's got these nylon bristles, which seems to be the thing anymore. Instead of the nice soft bristles, this is more of a rigid type. Not a big fan of that. And here's your crevice tool. Now to take the top of this shop vac off, you've got 2 latches. Here with that one you see on the back, and this one on the front. Once you do that, you reveal the filter for the shop vac, and then inside we have a warranty card. They want you to register it, and then an instruction manual. Now to take your filter off, it's a bit odd. I've never seen one like this before. Of course, I've never had a RIDGID shop vac, but it's got this knob on here that where the cage is, that has the shut-off thing there if you're using it in the wet, so it stops the sweeper from bringing water up. So basically, it's just kind of a friction fit. Put it over it like that, and push down, and then to take it off, you push down and then pull up, just like that. Now here's the filters you're going to need and the foam covering. So for the heck of it, I looked up on Amazon, and here's the VF3400, which is compatible with the RIDGID shop vac. Here you have the 3500. And then we have the 3600. Now I have seen these cheaper than what you're seeing here, but I just show this because it was showing just one instead of multi ones. And here's the VF 3700, which is for wet pickup, and that surprisingly did not come with the vac. Here you see the hose in its working position when you're using it. Obviously it's not shipped like this because of the way the hose is, would be in the way of the box, and they want the box as small as possible. But what you would do is just push down on that tab. So if you want to clean the hose out, pull it out so you can, any debris gets stuck, blow it out, you can do that. Push it in like that, and then when you're ready to use the sweeper, simply just pull this end out like this. It's in there snug, and you're good to go. Now the inside of the sweeper, here you see the deflector where your debris will come out either side like that. Alright, so now let's latch the top portion down, and we're ready to look at this compartment and see what's in here. So to get to this compartment, let me close the handle. What you want to do, you'll see this tab, pull back towards this way and just lift off, and it swings open, closes, swings open, and then that reveals your power cord. Specs say that this cord is 15 feet, which is very generous in length. Now I've got this plugged in, so let me turn it on. And this is the exhaust. Now I'm thinking if you wanted to, you could use this as a blower, because the other side of the hose will connect to this, so that you could actually use this if you wanted to blow debris, you know, in your shop or out of a corner. You could do that. And as can be seen on the exhaust port, that does go here. Now, in use, 9 times out of 10, you're not going to use that. You want it for a sweeper. So what do you do with this cord? Because you don't want this just, if you're using this to sweep out your shop or your car, what do? You want to close this. So if you notice over here, there's a notch in this. That allows you to bring the cord over here and then close. So now you've got your cord out the back. This is closed. It can go about doing the sweeping that you need to do. Now, the crevice tool that comes with it, here's how it fits on. It fits over this end, just like that, and it's snug. Now, the question I have is, will 1¼ and 2" work on here? And likewise, the brush tool fits over the end just like that also. Now here's the crevice tool that I use in my basement for cleaning. 2". So now, will that work with this? And yes, it will. It goes over the end just like that. So So you can use a 2-inch tool with this, or attachment, which is good because I want to be able to use the various other designed attachments that I have. That makes this more valuable. Now here we have this Milwaukee, which works with either 2-inch or 1.25 inch. So how does that work with this? So as we can see, that will also work. This goes inside, just like that. Well guys, what would a review be of a sweeper if we don't see what the suction power is? So we've got here 1/4 by 1 inch, flat socket cap, stainless steel, bolts, box of 100. Now there may be a few missing, but you'll see, I just want to see how those will pick up. And here they are. Now in closing guys, I do want to say I like the rectangular design. You can hold that, the handles, like I said, very nice rubbery grip, very solid. And you can hold it at your side, so if you're cleaning, you know, inside the car or whatever, or somewhere, it's not obtrusive. It lies flat at your side if you're standing or whatever. So I like the sweeper. The price is right.